Hi everyone. Today myself Devanshi Garg, solution specialist in water and wastewater from Capricorn Technologies brings you to our weekly insights on how to create profiles in WaterGEMS. Capricorn Technologies, a Win Zero company and partner of choice for AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley, along with an authorized training center. We have 300 plus dedicated team members with clientage of over 20,000 in AEC and associated industries. So these are some of the features of creating profiles in WaterGEMS. So basically a profile is a graph that plots a particular attribute across a distance, such as ground elevation across a section of piping. And as well as these side or sectional views of the ground elevation, profiles can be used to show other characteristics such as hydraulic grade, pressure, etc. So in today's video, we'll learn how to create profiles in open flows, WaterGEMS. Now suppose this is my network on which I'm working and I want to create a profile on this network. So before doing that, first of all, I have to compute my network. Yes. And now after computing, you can go to view option available here, view toolbar, and under this you will find this option profiles here. So when you will click on this profiles here, this type of box profiles box will open in front of you. And now for creating a new profile, you can always go to this new first option available new here, and it will create this type of profile setup box for you. So now it is asking you to select from drawing. Basically, you can select the points for which you want to create the profile. Now I'll click here on select from drawing and I'll click 2 points for which I want to create profile. For example, I want to create the profile between these 2 points. So I'll just click on these 2 points and select them, and it will select the path in between these 2 points. And after doing that, you can always click on this green tick available here, and as soon as you click on that tick, this type of profile setup box will open, and here you can see it is showing you all the elements that has been selected in between the 2 points selected by you. And after doing this, you can click here on this profile, open profile, and you can see that this profile series option box will open, and it is asking you for which scenario you want to create the profile. In case you are having two scenarios or more than two, so you can select this particular scenario for which you want to create the profile. It is showing you all the elements, this middle section, it is showing you all the elements that has been selected by you. And here fields option, it means for which particular property you want to create the profile. So for example, I want to create the profile for hydraulic grade. I want to see how my hydraulic grade is changing with respect to the elevations of my junctions. So we'll click here this on hydraulic grade and click simply on OK. And when you will do that, this kind of profile will open in front of you. This blue line here depicts the hydraulic grade, and this yellow line represents the elevation of your junctions, and these are all the junctions that has been selected by you. So this is showing you basically how your hydraulic grade is varying with respect to your elevation. And you can always print it, you can copy it from here, and here different settings options are available from where you can choose if you want to show the title, labels, legend, and there are some or other options also that you can explore. So this is how you can create the profiles, and this was for steady state analysis in case you have done the steady state analysis. Now for example, you have done the EPS. So for example, this is my network and I have applied some patterns in it. You can see, for example, these are the patterns that I have applied, and I have simulated it for EPS. So now I want to create the profile. So before doing that, I'll repeat the same steps. I'll compute my network first. Yes, and now after computing, I'll go to view again, profiles. I'll create a new profile, select from drawing, and you can simply select the point for which you want to create the profile. Click on green tick. Here it is showing you all the hydraulic elements that has been selected by you. Click on open profile, Select the scenario, select the hydraulic grade or property that you want to display, click OK, and here you can see that it is showing you how your hydraulic grade is changing with respect to the elevation. Now, since this is EPS, you have computed your network for 24 hours. So if you'll click here on this green button, it is saying play. If you'll click on play, then it will show you how your hydraulic grade is changing within those 24 hours with respect to your elevations. So blue line depicts the same hydraulic grade and yellow is the elevation one. So from here, like this, you can see how your grade is changing with respect to the elevation. So basically, this is how you can create the profiles in OpenFlow's WaterGEMS. So I hope you guys had an insightful session. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technologies Private Limited and like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topic that you would want to discuss. See you next week. Thank you.